This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Hey, I'm a little early today. Way to go. Markets are coming off, eh? Hold on a minute. It sold off about 150 points. Let me do my sound check. That's one thing that I can't do before the market's open. Before I connect. I got to do it after. Sorry about that. Before I connect. That's good. Okay, so I don't know. We got a little bit of time before the market's open. Let me just go over how my day was yesterday. I think it was good. I passed the Apex eval. I got the $40 invoice, so I filled that out. I got my PA account for that. And today I'm going to be trading daytraders.com. It's time that we get a payout out of them also. So I'm at 26,300. Excuse me. Got to get to another $200, and then we can get that one taken care of. Part of our program of trying new firms. So that's daytraders.com. We're going to try Taurus Arena, Earn to Trade. There was another one yesterday. Omnius was talking about, and Skeletor was talking about. I think it was just called Futures Traders. So we'll try out these new firms, and we'll let you know how that goes. We're going to also run through the rules. That's something that I'm looking forward to doing. I want to run through all the rules of each firm thoroughly, put together a file, and you can compare one with the other, the consistency rules, the inactivity rules, the days to payout rules. Days to payout, sometimes it's two different things. It's you got to trade 5 days, and you got to have 5 days over 150 or over 200 or over 50 or over 100. Some of them let you trade the news. Some of them don't let you trade the news. Some of them let you trade the news, but they say you have to be out 1 minute before or 1 minute after, but they still consider it trading the news. Some people tell you you can trade the news, just you can't trade the red folder news. Others say you can't trade any of the news. So my God, you need to have a computer with you if you're trading a portfolio of accounts. I can tell you they don't make it simple, eh? Oh, wow, that's funny. So, let's take a quick look, see what the markets did. Took out the Asia session highs. We didn't take out the Asia session lows. It's been pretty quiet overnight, though, eh? Just kind of traded sideways. Not a big range, it doesn't look like. What do we got on the range? I have it on my Apex chart here. 827, 622. That's a decent range. 200 points. I'm comparing it to yesterday, where it was 600 all the way down to 270. It was almost 300, 400 points. But anyways, yeah, there was some range. We kind of traded lower for the first hour or 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever. Rebounded, traded up to the previous day's close, came off a little bit, traded back up to the previous day's close, and we went from red to green. And we've been trading above previous day's close since 3:30 in the morning. Since 5:30 in the morning. So we're bullish right now. We're above VWAP. We're above previous day's close. I mean, technically we're kind of below previous day's close now, but it's all by a pubic hair. So It's not really one way or the other. Let's watch the market and see if the market will give us clear direction as to whether or not it wants to go through and trade below, stay red for the day, or turn green. Do I want to take longer term charts? The daily doesn't look anything significant on the stuff. Well, I'm tired. The daily doesn't look anything significant on the chart here. I mean, we're trading above the 50. The 50's above the 100. The 100. Good morning, Skeletor. Good morning, Twisted. Good morning, guys. Yeah, 50's above the 100. The 100's above the 200. What's this line here? I don't know what it is, but let's get rid of it. So, where do you guys think we're trading today? I would have been all bullish if we didn't get below the previous day's close, like we just did now in the last little while. We just went green to red. We got a little bit below VWAP, bounced off it. Skeletor, I got my account. They gave me the invoice. You know which one I'm talking about? The one I shouldn't have. The one I shouldn't have. I got what I shouldn't have. That only makes it sweeter. Okay, so I'm starting a poll. Are we committed to following our rules today? Absolutely. 100%. Rule number 1. Loss in an account, rotate. Got to protect the accounts. So what do I got? I got a Bulenox master account available at 2 PAs. Oh, I got this computer. Oh, on this computer, I got the day trader eval. So let's work on that. Omnius, good morning, Omnius. I thought you wrote no. Yeah. Hey, well, you're both there. Take a quick look. Is it up here even? What is all this? We're going to play the new game later. Take a look what I put in, Omnius. I put in breakout bricks on the left board. So you got, you know those breakout bricks there where you hit them and they disappear? It's It's my first version. They're not done right, but that's pretty cool. I like him. So we'll play that later. Deal me in. Yeah, let's see what deal me in's going to give me. Really? Someone doesn't plan on following their rules today? Who's that? Talk to me. Why not? My wife complained about my daughter early in the morning. Oh my God. You know what? Wives need to understand not to aggravate their trading husbands. Seriously. Where do I want to take it? I guess I'm going to take it in my, I'm going to go to 1. And join the ask. I think I'm going to try my longer term strategy today. Longer term. Yeah, trades will last a half an hour, try for 40, 50, 60, 70 points. I'm going to try that and see what happens. I don't even know if I won. Futures floor draws 62, 25. Draws futures floor draws high number. Perfect. Okay, it's going to be a good day. Even though I'm already losing $19. Well, given that that's a trade, I can improve my price maybe. Let's get down to, back down to 13. Where are we on the bid here? Where do they hide it? 19, 17. It looks like there's a little bit of weakness. Keeps coming down. I'm at 15. If I can cover it, 16, 19, 18, 17. Yeah, 16 didn't stay long enough. There's 16, there's 15 and a quarter. There we go. There's my one lot. That's the one lot I want to hold, and we'll see what happens. Hands off the mouse. We've got to get better at holding longer trades. That's what Omnius tells me. What's a longer trade? I think minimum 40 points. But we'll see where this one goes. I'd be more comfortable doing it on a new eval rather than one that's close to passing. Gold got over $4,000. Okay, that's cool. I'm happy about that. Trading at the low end of the pre-market session. A little far away from, what do you call it? The London lows, maybe 629 or the London lows, 80 points away. We could run for the London lows. You got the Asia lows there also, 608. So I can see price being pulled in that direction. We will see what we get on the open. What time's it? 9:22. Market's opening in 8 minutes. Guys, subscribe if you're new to the channel, because we're going to be playing all kinds of fun games like Deal Me In, Deal Me In version 2, You see, here's the problem with holding trades. I got $30 open profit on the trade. I hate to see it disappear. Wow, the numbers look different. 704, no, 704. It's trading at the same area. Looky, gold back at the 4005, 4003 area. $100 if we can get down to 25,600. 100 points. This one lot will pass my account for me. Good morning, Omnius.
Good morning, good sir.
Oh, $48. Am I going to curse myself? How are you doing this morning?
How's your morning going?
Morning's good. I worked on the game a little. Actually, I worked on a couple of the games this morning. I want to trade longer term positions, hold a little bit longer. So now I'm holding a one lot here. I'm already up 30 points. And now I'm sweating. I'm pooping my pants because I hate giving it back.
Yeah,
I hate giving it back. Like it's gonna go to break even if I hold it till.
What can you do?
I want my $60. Thing is, I'm also like only $150 from passing.
Skeletor, good morning. Whoever else we got, good morning.
We have to confirm if it's end of day drawdown. I'm really eager to start doing that little thing that we plan on doing, going over the prop firms.
Hurry up, I rush back, get everything going. Bama, good morning. Get everything going so I can make sure I get here. Then my Ninja Trader won't work.
No way.
Like, freaking mother beaches. So then I had to reset my Ninja Trader again. I tell you, it's about once or twice a week.
Have you tried resetting it? Thank you.
I mean, I got it down pretty good now. There's a thing in a folder and you just delete it. And then it has to repopulate. So then you open it back up and it takes forever. But a lot of the indicators don't come back and a lot of the other stuff don't come back. And you got to manually set all kinds of stuff up. I think I got the basic. And my strategies I got to reset up. So hopefully I saved them right. Hopefully they'll perform right today. We don't want no, we don't want to repeat yesterday, right? Bam, I don't know if he was here yesterday, but they got me yesterday. It happens. What can you do? We got about 3 minutes. You do any kind of a morning analysis?
I did a little bit.
Mike, who got me yesterday? If I knew who it was, I'd drive to their house and pee on their front door. The market.
I did.
Bam, it was the market. I
hate to say it, but bias is slightly to the upside. I don't know. It's kind of hard to say because we are trading under VWAP now, and we're trading under the previous day's close. So
my strategy bot took 3 losses in a row yesterday. But there was good news. There was an error, and one of the losses only took half of it. What I always tell you, Mike, sometimes the errors help us, sometimes they hurt us.
Yeah, well, I was helped by an error yesterday. You know the error. I got my account.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah,
It passed? Sweet.
it passed. I got the invoice. I paid it, $40.
Made it quickly. Hurry, hurry. Get this paid for.
Yeah.
Let's get it worked out for you.
Hmm.
Came down, pushed up, came down again, tried to push up, couldn't make another high. So we have a lower high. We're just kind of in limbo. Could be long,
Kind of
could be
limbo, but
short.
went green to red. We are red now on the day.
Look, I'm gonna tell you the future already. 100% guarantee. That's hard to get in life, right?
It
I'm gonna
is.
give you 100% guarantee. Well, actually, it's a 99.9% guarantee, right? It's gonna go to the right.
That's 100%.
Well, I mean,
Market's
there's
opening in
every
40
now and then,
seconds.
right? It might like freeze.
Mhm.
All right, come on, be serious. We got trades to do.
Yeah, market's open in 40 seconds.
Let the chaos reign.
I'm going to trade day trader right off the bat. You know what? I'm already up 55. I took my $55. I shouldn't have. It would have been 100 already. I couldn't hold more. I'm sorry, Mom.
Sorry, Mom.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I get my camera out every day now. I get all these errors. I got to hurry up, snap photos while trading, while streaming, while patting myself on the head, rubbing my belly, and trying to stop my feet from going numb.
Oh,
You ever have
look
that
at
issue,
that.
Mike?
No. But daytraders.com is hanging. That's interesting.
Camera, check. I know, you're probably saying, why you need a camera when you literally record your screen? Well, because that's pop-ups, and pop-ups don't show up.
Well,
Order filled. Hey,
we
keep
gotta
your order
fix
fills to
that.
yourself.
We gotta fix that. Close the browser, reopen it. Maybe that's the problem. Let me take a look at the.
Check, check. Check, check.
I didn't
New
expect
photo.
that from daytraders.com. Who farted? Did you say is that what you just said?
I said check, and my phone took a picture, and then it sent it to my computer. So then I got a notification telling me that I got a new photo on my phone sent to my computer because I said check.
Yeah, that's the update.
What can you do, right?
Okay, let's see if it's working better.
I get to the blood
No,
work place, and there's like
that's terrible.
a million people in there.
Mm,
Or at least it seemed like it was probably like 10, but still a lot.
it still seems like a million.
Yeah, right? My God, it's going to take forever. Lady comes right out and calls me. I think they remember the people that are nasty to them,
Mm.
the people that are nice to them. I'm not saying I'm a nice guy. I'm just saying sometimes I play one. No, I try to be nice to people. I mean, you're going about your day and you go in places and it don't hurt you to be nice to people. It's amazing how many people are just so caught up on themselves and so rude and so miserable.
David. Well done. There's data delays. He doesn't know because he only has one platform going.
You having delays again? Maybe you'll have to try resetting your Ninja Trader like I do. It's like reloading all historical data, but like a deeper version of it.
I'm about to try out. I think the 10 points off with the data delays compared to Ninja. It's X is behind.
We still here. You didn't hit the mute button.
Anyways, just letting you know. Yeah, both my platforms are screwing up. All my platforms are screwing up.
Oh, I don't even want to hear it. It's Ninja Trader, isn't it?
No, Ninja Trader's the one's working well.
I think what I'm going to try doing is I'm going to try, before I close Ninja Trader, I'm going to try lowering my days to like 50 or something, or 3, and then reload when it opens. Maybe that's causing it. I don't know. What's coming? Oh, why am I cold?
I'm freezing too.
I think the air conditioner might still be on. All right, give me a second.
Okay,
All right, the air conditioner wasn't on, but it is like 68 in the house. In Florida, that's cold.
I was getting kind of like the trading view type of updates on the data. What does that mean? That means every second it was changing, but the data is supposed to be changing much quicker than every second. We all know that, right? Okay, we got above the bands for the longer term. Let's see.
Looking to see if we can break the support here.
Yeah.
I mean, that candle there was pretty bearish, so see if we can break it.
NQ is quite a bit weaker than ES right now.
Don't have the ES up anymore.
Yeah, ES isn't below the
maybe I need to open a Ninja Trader chart for ES.
The 3 a.m. lows.
Yeah, is our government still shut down?
Oh, they quit.
Can we fire them? They would just go in and fire the whole lot of them.
Too late, they quit.
Well, I guarantee you they're still getting paid.
NQ took out the 3 a.m. lows. ES.
Yeah, thing. I seen a thing the other day talking about they're going to have to shut down airspace because they don't have people to police it.
Police it? You mean to air traffic controllers?
Whatever it was, I don't know. The important part of the news was that they're talking about shutting down airspace. Something about a UPS plane blowing up.
Yeah. I saw that on Benny Johnson.
I hope that don't make my stock go down. It's already in the gutter. We always talk about all the stocks that are to the moon. We never talk about all the ones that are down 80%.
That are in the moon.
They're to the moon, but on the opposite side of the earth.
Yeah.
So I saw a trade meme like that. It's like to the moon and like goes down. Like, yeah, when the moon's down there. Look, we're trying to bounce off of this support. I would probably try to take it if I wasn't already looking at other things. What else is going on in the world? Anything good?
I have no idea. I don't watch the news anymore.
Too depressing, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
UPS plane experienced a mechanical problem. The left engine detached from the wing during takeoff.
Okay.
Can you imagine being on that plane and being like, well, there went our engine.
Did we need it?
Like, hey, traffic control, we just lost an engine. Oh, it went out? No, it's not on the plane anymore. Isn't that crazy? They're like, how does an engine fall off of a plane?
To be honest with you, I don't know how wings don't fall off the planes. You know, they're sitting, they're flapping, they're so flexible. You figure that would put so much pressure on the bolts or the rivets that are holding it onto the plane.
I don't know. Maybe they got those lock washers.
Flex bolts. I don't know. You know, anything I have that puts that much pressure on anything, it doesn't last. I'm very impressed on how planes are built.
Maybe they have a bolt guy that goes there every day and checks the bolts.
Yeah. So, yeah, NQ is below the 8 o'clock lows, below the 3 a.m. lows, the 8 p.m. lows. ES is still kind of not really below even the 3 a.m. lows.
My dad used to work on planes in the Air Force.
Mm-hmm.
Could have asked him, but you can't ask him no more. A similar accident in Chicago in 1979 in which more than 200 people died. Oh, shit.
Yeah, well, this is a cargo plane. We got below the pre-market lows. We got below the London session lows. Probably took out the Asia lows. Okay, so we've taken out everything. The only thing left we have is previous day's lows. Those are all the way down at 276. However, with that being said, we did have an area where price reacted and went higher, and that was 488. Same thing at 399. So we don't have to get down to 282, which is the previous day's lows. We can find a bounce at 485 if we trade all the way down to there. I'm just looking at the 30-minute chart. That was yesterday. Not looking farther back than that.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled. It's going to be a very tight stop. This trade was at 99 and I am filled at 09. I got 10 points better.
Long or short?
Short. And there we go.
There we go.
I got a nice 50 bucks on that. Yeah, that one worked out well. I just fell on it. 10 points better. That means that was a 4-point stop.
I didn't tell me I had the wrong screen up.
Yeah, I'll try and get back in again.
Order filled.
Take my take profit. Remember yesterday I take my take profit, but didn't get me out. Am I out? I gotta make sure I'm out.
I lost. Didn't work out twice. 944, the 15-minute opening range.
I'm out. What's next?
It's going to be
UPS plane was under repair for almost an entire month of October. Somebody asked for a raise and they didn't get it. I mean, I would have to imagine that they have quality control for stuff like that.
Yep.
And because I know in similar fields like that, you got so many people that come by and have to look at stuff.
Yeah,
like half the people there aren't even the workers. They're the people looking at it to make sure the worker did the right job.
Exactly. You have to have redundancy.
I mean, I'd have to believe they'd have to have quality control. They'd have to have quality checks. And then how does it go through all those people? And it can't be one bolt, right? It's got to be a lot of bolts, because you want to, if this one fails and that one fails and the one over there fails, you still want a whole bunch of bolts, right?
Mm-hmm.
So how do all of those bolts fail at the same time when it went through all those people for checks? Then again, I don't know much about planes, so I don't know how it works. That's just a question I would ask. I'm sure they'll be doing a whole investigation on it.
Yeah, but
I seen a thing they were asking people if they had any debris in their yards or something, or they found any to turn it in. Mike, what if I found something and I'm like, no, I'm not turning it in. I gave it to you.
I don't know.
$100,000.
I got to give you $100,000. Fuck off.
You ain't getting it then. Like, nah, man, I buried that shit somewhere. You want it? $100,000.
Sometimes in life, things break. That's just how it is.
Then I'd be like, Mike, I'm in jail. You bail me out.
How much? $100,000.
Now you go holding their stuff. I guarantee you'll be arrested.
Trying to go long. NQ trying to give me a long entry. Not crazy about it. NQ is weaker than the S.
I don't know, because
41.
I would kind of like a long here, because we do have a kind of Morningstar type of pattern.
Yeah, I didn't get it at all. There was no getting a better price on this one. It just took off. The entry was at
right
41.
There on the 2-minute chart. 5-minute chart's about to close with a bullish engulfing. The 15-minute has a nice Harami candle. So, I don't know, man. I could see a good long if that's what you're looking at. I would maybe look for a pullback and then jump in if I was going to go long.
That's it. My hands are in the pocket. I'm waiting for a pullback and go long now, because that's what the...
Skeletor, did the entire plane explode, or was it just the engine fell off? And I thought I seen a picture of like an explosion or something. The plane like crash and then explode, or the engine just fell off? I mean, a plane can glide, right? Your engine falls off and you kind of glide the plane down?
No, I saw the video. I think they were very close. They were landing or they just took off. They look close to the ground. Excuse me.
Goto said they just took off.
Yeah, they look close to the ground.
So then it kind of engine falls off and tips the plane. And maybe it did explode.
Maybe it did explode. Watch the video. There's no maybe. Maybe it did explode.
How much time do you think I got in a day?
We're telling you it exploded.
I mean, I thought I seen a picture of an explosion, but
Shouldn't be laughing. It's tragedy.
all the bitches.
I don't know if anybody
Fucking
got
hate
hurt.
you. Fucking hate you.
I don't know the details, so I don't know if anybody got hurt.
Fuck you. Where's my? Well, get the fuck out of the way.
Okay, pulling up to VWAP, which is at 700, but we're right here now at pre-market lows. So maybe we will.
Don't know what happened. I'm in. I'm not in. I'm out. I'm over.
Yeah, we're in a tough area here. You know, there's a lot of contradicting levels and moves. Moves look like you can want to go long, but then the
Who's in? Who's out? Waterfield.
I took a small short in gold. Actually, I just saw I'm not supposed to be in it. I didn't notice it kind of switched. Got out of my gold.
Whoa.
Oh my God. They got me for a really bad one there. That was not good to happen on the account that was just about to pass. That's the universe testing me.
No.
Well, here's
Did you
what I
pass
have.
the test?
I don't know. Let's see if I revenge trade now. What I should do is just leave it because it's still at 26,000 and it is daytrader.com. So daytrader.com has no time limit. I can just make $80 a day for the next 7 days and pass it. So
There.
there's no reason to want to fight this. But why is this 1? This should be 2. Yeah, anytime you want to show yourself there, eh? Please, thank you. 30.
In, you out. Where you at, man?
Okay. Indicators.
Oh, great. Took out my stop loss. You know what I mean? Like, took it out. I mean, it's not there. What the fuck?
I like
All
the
right.
bands better.
Yeah, this one. What about this one? Good news, bad news. Good news is half my accounts got kicked out. Bad news is the other half lost. Going through a bit of a bad period on that stuff, huh? Yeah, what was the errors?
It was a rejection right off the And a strong one off the pre-market lows.
Emitted an order that generated the following error. Order rejected. Strategy has sent cancel request. Attempted to close position and terminate itself. So how do I fix that? My bot's self-destructing. Y'all see what we're gonna have to put up with AI? Like we're all
Is that really a feature?
that's really our
Self-destruction?
future. Like you're gonna be going down the road in your car and your car is gonna self-destruct in 30 seconds.
It's not funny.
Plane will self-destruct in 30 seconds. All right. Back to my plane picture I was looking at. Warning, distressing content. See if we can watch it. Might get in trouble. This one? Back it up. Warning. Everybody sees the warning, right? Okay. So it just took off. It's already on fire? Ooh.
Yeah, pretty big fireball. But again, if the engine fell off, I don't know if maybe that's just the engine. Maybe, like I said, it's possible nobody got hurt. Who knows?
You got to have a pilot, right?
Yeah, but he's in the cockpit. If the engine just fell off,
Oh, that whole plane exploded.
yeah, it was the plane.
Back. Some brow. How do we go back? Oh, what is that? Is that more of the plane?
915 volume is 700,000. Just to keep track, I keep track of that for you guys. You should remember numbers around 300,000, 400,000, 500,000, usually around 10 o'clock. A regular day is about 450,000, so volume's a little bit higher. And ATI is 32, which is pretty high also.
I don't know where it crashed, but it went off the... It's going down the runway. It goes up and then like crashes. I thought it like crashed like in a field or something. But this shows like a bunch of stuff there. It's like houses, businesses.
Yeah, I didn't look at it closely.
$50,000 gallons of jet fuel. Damn. 4 people on the ground were killed.
No kidding.
3 people on the plane were killed, presumed dead. If you ain't found them by now, buddy, they're gone. It says 11 people, at least 11. So I guess the count's up to 11. That's crazy stuff right there, man. Yeah, them some kind of warehouses or businesses or something on the other side of the runway.
Maybe in an industrial area. We've basically just been trading lower since the open. 25,680. We're down to 25,520 now.
Like we got another support coming up. More of a minor support. Might go back down to the 25,400.
Yeah, I was talking about the 25,400 level. We pushed up off that yesterday, 6 in the morning. We also pushed off the 491 level. Actually, yeah, a couple of times yesterday.
I was watching a thing about the New York, was it mayor race or governor race or whatever it was?
Yeah. I don't know. I think it's mayor.
Yeah. Now everybody's worried about this guy. And
Nothing to be worried about. He'll destroy the place, and maybe, hopefully, people will learn. Most likely, they won't. They'll just
well,
think
apparently the problem
would
was
have
that
happened no matter who was in, or they'll blame it on Trump.
I think the problem was people were saying that they didn't like the Republican candidate.
Okay.
So it was kind of one of those races where people hate both sides.
Yeah, but come
It's
on.
like, what do you do?
What do you do?
So I seen that thing I was watching and said that Florida's talking about enacting tariffs for people that move from New York. Like, nah, y'all voted for that guy. Look, don't move to Florida now.
Well, the ones that are moving didn't vote for him.
And was talking about New York, talking about adding tariffs for people that leave New York. It's like, it's bad when the people that live there want to get the hell out. The people everywhere else are like, no, don't come here. What's funny is I know people from New York. It's like, why'd y'all come to Florida? They're like, why do you think we came to Florida? Get the hell away from New York.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they really seem to, part of the country really seems to not understand stupid policies. They really believe that everything can be given to them for free. They don't realize the money has to come from somewhere.
Yeah, Skeletor. I guess more and more governors are saying that. He said Governor Abbott says he will impose 100% tariffs on anyone moving from New York to Texas, or from New York City at least.
What does that mean? What are you tariffing me on?
I think it was the one I saw talking about buying a home or something.
Okay. I was going to say.
Oh, the tariff stuff spreading already. I'm hearing more and more about it. Governors are saying that people that live out of state are going to have to start paying tariffs.
Mm.
I always say, once they start doing things, they just keep spreading. I think Florida's talking about trying to get rid of property taxes. But if you live out of state, you have land, you still have to pay taxes.
Mm. Bit of a bounce here. ES still collapsing. NQ still collapsing. Wow. Wow.
Florida's getting too overpopulated.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, Skeletor. The thing I was watching was saying that because apparently he's talking about like all kinds of free stuff for everybody and raising taxes on businesses. I think they already have super high taxes.
Mm.
I don't know. I don't live there. They run their city or state or whatever it is, however they want. I think it just sucks that you're pretty much told you have to vote for this guy or that guy. Then you're left with two people that are jackasses. Our election system was never meant to be like that.
Well, you can't prevent jackasses from running.
What you can prevent, though, is parties that control the election.
Uh,
I think they need to do away with the parties. I think they said the guy won by like 80%, 80 something percent.
I don't know.
It's a massive win.
But he was an easy winner. Yep. Well, I will tell on myself. I did a chase, a stupid chase.
Play the donkey.
Yeah, and you know what? Could cost me the account.
Donkey, yeah. Donkey.
But if I don't chase, if I just wait for my entries, I don't get myself into trouble like that. I gotta stop that trade.
I couldn't hear you pass the donkey.
Okay, relax with the going up. Yeah, it was close to the 400 level also. Let's get 2 bars down. Come on, 2 bars down. It's not too much to ask. Everyone was selling. Let's see them at the max. I'm at the mercy of the markets. That's it. I'm out. Lost the account over stupidity. Liz. I was $200 away. I was going to do it properly, and I have to get a 50-point dump. An insta dump. Now I'm angry. Okay, well, that's it for me today. No more trading.
Well, my day hasn't been much better, so.
Now it's going to go lower. It always finds a way just to go enough to take you out and then reverse directions. There we go. There's the 1 bar. There's the 2 bar. That's what I needed. It just went 1 bar. 1 bar enough high. Tell you how these things happen. Wow, I'm not happy. It's Friday. It's Friday? It's Thursday? No, it's Thursday.
Friday Eve.
It's Friday Eve. Yeah.
Yeah. Go break some shit later, make you feel better.
I wanted this account. That's the problem. Fuck it. I'm not even going to use that thing as an excuse. I don't even know. It's just reckless trading.
Hey, if I'm going to break stuff later, can I break the kids' stuff? And they got no problem breaking my stuff.
I'm a very stubborn person.
Yes, you are. See that? No disagreement. Wow, what's going on? Tell us about it.
I'm just saying that, I know which trade I have to dump. I have
Does
to.
Bulenox have any rules regarding scalping? No, they haven't told me any yet. Mike, what do you think?
Not that I know of. Nope.
What do you mean no sound? Again?
Go get him, Skeletor.
Why? Okay, again, I was muted. No, I'm not on the audio mixer. No, I didn't accidentally press the mute button on that
Order
one
filled.
thing out of the 10 that's there. That is so
Order
stupid.
filled.
Did the donkey do it? I might have to go
Order
watch the
filled.
stream. Maybe the donkey did it. Play the donkey again.
Order filled.
Nope, still here. I don't know. I don't know
Order
what does it.
filled.
It's stupid. All right, we hear it now. Does Bulenox have any rules regarding scalping? Skeletor, not that I know of. Mike, do you know of any?
No, nothing. There's no 5-second rule or nothing. They're pro. I like their rules. Their rules are good. The only rule that like I said, I have a problem with is their 5-day inactivity rule. That's the one that bothers me the most.
Yeah, they have
And
a
is there anything
consistency
else?
rule, but it's either 30 or 40%. I don't know. Unless you're trying to make $2,000 in one day, shouldn't really bother you.
Yeah, I don't, there was the video I put together, the 5 rules that stink about Bulenox. Let me think what they were. Obviously, the inactivity rule.
I think that's the biggest one, the inactivity rule.
No copy trading to other firms. That one kind of got under my skin.
I mean, I don't understand how they're going to know unless you got wealth charts.
Trailing drawdown was one, it's kind of, as opposed to end of day drawdown. That's what I compared it to. So that was one of the other rules. The third rule.
Well, I'm pretty sure they have end of day, don't they?
I don't think so, no.
At all? I always
so.
do the trailing. I don't know.
I always do trailing too, but
the trailing drawdown just doesn't bother me as much as it does other people. And if you're a scalper, I don't think it's a big deal. And generally, they give you anywhere from $500 to $1,000 more for the trailing drawdown. So I don't know. To me, it's not that big of a deal. Of course, if you want end of day or you want static, you're going to have to pay a lot more. Your loss limit's going to be a lot less. So, Mike, you all right, buddy? Take you a break from trading for a few minutes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you got to breathe, get some more oxygen to the brain.
I'll listen. I will listen. I mean, there's nothing more I can do to the daytraders.com account. I'm very disappointed. This one was a guaranteed pass. Not even a doubt. It was a guaranteed pass. And I wanted it.
Deal. I wanted my account too, Mike.
I'm not taking risk into account when I'm taking trades. I'm just factoring in what you can make. Where's my paper? Not that it's helping just yet, but
Mine's not blown yet, but it's got Somewhere, I don't know because of the trailing, but somewhere between $500 and $700 a drawdown left.
Hey, that was close. I was $120 away. And then I had a 4 lot. And the market, I think, we did 4, 6. I don't know. I was down $400 like in a second on that air pump.
Everybody and every strategy is going to go through drawdown or periods of drawdown. What can you do? Be thankful that we trade prop firms and my kids are still going to eat. Your kids are still going to eat. And when the market conditions get better, we'll rebuild and the life of a day trader. I mean, it sucks, but at the same time, like I said, how amazing is it that we got prop firms and we blow an account and $100 we're right back in the action again.
Yeah. Well, no, that was the day trader's 25K account. I don't know, what is it, $21 or something?
See what I'm talking about? It's like, oh man, I'm down $2,000. Like, no, you're down $25. Come on.
I wanted it. I had it.
Oh man, I'm down $2,000. No, that's a Bulenox account. You're down $15. Come on, calm down. I know. It still makes you mad. I know. Don't give me that look.
I can't even blame that $400 drop because, yeah, it kind of made me get a little trade. Yeah, no, I mean, it did. It made me trade a little. Didn't put me on tilt. It just made me trade a little bit aggressive, and then I spiraled. I would have done it with 2 lots. Anyways, who knows what we would have, could have, should have done it. I could have been in the exact same place. So the universe giveth and the universe taketh. Yesterday, the universe gave me. And today, the universe takes.
Good news is coming back down to this 25,400. You know what that means, right?
No.
No?
Another
That
bounce?
means it's time to start a shopping list. Come on, man. Where you been? The Bitcoin 102.
I don't know the Bulenox rule, not the Bulenox, the Apex rule. That's also why we're going to deal with Apex. First off, I want to remind myself, what's the rule on a day that qualifies for a payout? Is it $50 profit or $100 profit?
Still think Bitcoin's going down for the near future.
If anybody knows, let me write it out in my chat or in Omnius' chat. Now is good. No, sound Omnius. Are you muted? Now is good.
Yes, I was muted. They keep muting me.
You're a mutant. That's why. We mute the mutants.
Damn, this chart at the top of a channel. Market naturally wants to kind of pull back. Still liking Meta. Meta's down almost 22%. Meta makes so much money. Whatever their problems are, it's hard to believe they're not going to be ironed out.
I'll be back in a sec.
I'll be back. Would like to see Meta come ultimately down to about 400. Put these boxes up based on PE ratio. Even 500. You got much still in the stock. Meta's got a 27 PE, while other companies like Microsoft Have almost 37. I think Microsoft was up almost 40 up here. So Microsoft overbought. Meta under. So was there? I think Oracle. Oracle down almost 30%.
Oh, shit.
I think Oracle was at like $1 trillion, down to 690 billion now.
That's a big move.
Like to see Oracle at the 196. Around there. Great buying opportunity. What else? Pepsi was down like 35%. Mike, you gonna stop drinking Pepsi anytime soon?
Never.
I think we're gonna come back. Who else? We got Disney, but I'm not a big fan of Disney. Mike, you like Disney?
I don't know. I was telling my daughter you were talking about Pepsi. And we were at McDonald's yesterday, if you remember. I was telling her, if you see a market crash sometime in your life, and 20 years from now, 30 years from now, and you see McDonald's down 80%, 70%, you load up, because McDonald's is one business that will never go away. It's the cheapest restaurant food out there, and if you're in a recession, if you're in a depression, if you're in a cycle where the markets are strong, people are always eating McDonald's. I don't even know in which one they're eating it more. They're eating it when they have money in their pockets, and they're eating it when they don't have money in their pockets.
You'd think Dollar General would be a good one because people want cheaper products during a recession. But Dollar General was down 75%. Currently down, 62, 63? UPS, how did the plane crash do? I think it made the stock go up. I'm not laughing about the plane crash. I'm laughing, why did the stock go up because of a plane crash? Maybe they had news. And problem is all the good stocks that are cheap, nobody wants. Everybody wants to buy the ones that are 500% overbought. Texas Instrument down 26%, 27%. Golly. Micron to the fucking moon, huh?
Okay, wait for my next setup.
Had Micron down here. I think I sold it. I might still have a few shares somewhere up there.
Okay, trying to make a little bit of a push back up off the bottom.
Few opportunities in the market. Do have
since the 840 high.
Nasdaq, we have a bullish engulfing on the 15-minute, reversal structure on the 5-minute and the hourly. Find you an entry.
Whoa, excuse me. Oh, that's interesting. From this little dump we took from 840 until now, the 60% is right at the pre-market lows. at 660. 60% retrace. That was a 400-point move in an hour and a half to the downside.
How much?
400 points.
Oh, wow. I didn't realize that.
Mm.
Good job for anybody that went short and held it. What do we got? We got resistance at 616. We got VWAP at 637, and we got a pivot point at 631. So look for a draw to that area.
How did we get a down on that? Wow. ATR is 29 points.
Still good.
It's a good ATR, definitely.
Yeah. Step away for a second, grab a new drink. I'm not back in 2 minutes. Wait 2 more.
Well, maybe we'll get a little bit of a bounce here off the 512 area. I'm going to try that if I get a bit of a move. I got that. I'm in at 515. Hopefully my stop will be a little bit tightish. It's hard to tell with these charts. Sometimes, especially when I'm trading the band. I reduce risk a little bit. I only got a 1 lot in the end. Kind of coming down with some vim and vigor, so very close to being stopped out. About 3 points away, 2 points away. Hanging on though. You can get a little bit push here. Let's go. Push, push. Go up to 12. Change direction. Okay. Didn't get stopped out. Oh man, I tried to get filled at 16. Now it's at 23.10. That would have been so nice. Initial balance. Well, we're down to 12 again.
By my kids yesterday, and they got a bunch of candy dumped out.
Mm.
They're separating the candy and stashing the candy. I'm like, guys, what are we doing? Like, oh, she's got her stash and I got my stash. I'm like, guys, who's stealing your candy?
Everyone wants to have their own. Doesn't matter if someone's stealing it or not.
Yeah, right. I'm like,
you want to have
you
your
like
pile.
what you like, and you like what you like, and I don't like the same thing. So, who's stealing your candy? Then I see another pile, right? And I'm like, well, what is this pile? And they're like, oh, Dad, that's the chocolate. That's yours. Huh? See, they do love me. I get my own stash. I'm like, all right, carry on. Give me the chocolate.
Man, it's the good stuff. It's the chocolate.
Kids give me their chocolate. The wife bought me chocolate.
Yeah, we bought a ton of chocolate too. We don't normally buy chocolate, but I was at the grocery store and then they had it like, I guess they had too much of it. So it was like on some crazy liquidation price. You know, that box, the box of the little O. Henry's Kit Kats.
Can you see it?
Well, that's cool. No, we just got the regular ones. So Henry's, Kit Kats, Smarties, and Arrow.
Bite your head off. Bit your head off, vampire.
Now we're all gorging on chocolate.
Yep. Give it a week or two, we all going to show up with breakout everywhere. Look like teenagers. You know, chocolate does that to you.
I do.
Nice pullback. Well, we got a long entry here.
Yep, I just went long at 04.
No, you didn't.
I did.
I don't believe you. Music's not loud enough. You ever hear a good song and you got to turn it up?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe one day we'll do a TikTok stream and I can actually play music. You can play music on there, right?
I'm not sure what the rules are. I don't know.
I hear people playing music on there. I've seen people are streaming on Facebook now. I don't know how long they've been doing that.
I gotta figure it's gonna have to be music from the TikTok library. And even then, I don't know if they allow you to use it for more than a minute or two.
See people streaming and they're playing music.
Because when you click on the TikTok library, the songs, some of them show 6 seconds, some of them show 10 seconds, some of them show a minute, but I don't think any of them show that they're longer than a minute. The clip. I played my game on TikTok one day, and it was playing the video in the background with the Pitbull song, and I used the full minute, and as soon as it stopped, the video replayed again. So I asked GPT, can I just, continue looping this same 1 minute piece of song on TikTok? And it said, yeah, as long as you're using their 1 minute piece, their 1 minute clip, all is good. So I kind of looked like I was playing music, but it was the same 1 minute clip over and over.
We're down 1.2% on the day. All because of that New York mayor, isn't it?
Don't laugh. It's New York.
Look,
it's not like
I'm at a point in politics, I just laugh at all of them.
Yeah, but it's New York. Jesus Christ.
I make the Democrats mad. I make the Republicans mad. They're all mad at me. I just laugh at all their candidates.
Wow, my dog just goes nuts. Loses his mind. Her mind. Coming down to...
Funny thing about politics is everybody has the option to vote for freedom. They're just too scared to do it. And yet we keep voting for the red and the blue over and over again. Imagine somebody takes a knife and they stab you in the back. And you say, fuck, man, you just stabbed me in the fucking back. And they say, well, calm down. Don't worry about it. Do you want the knife to be red or do you want it to be blue? And everyone else is like, well, shit, give me a red knife. Give me a blue knife. And I'm still stuck on the fact I got stabbed in the back. And the fuck, I don't care if it's red or blue. You stab me in the fucking back. That's the way I see politics.
We're going to break the initial balance. Is that it? Is that where we're headed to? The 1 hour gap? The 1 hour
We're breaking
range?
that support right there. That's bringing us back into this range. Means we're losing. That means people are no longer willing to buy at this area. So, I mean, we get back in the range, we could go all the way back down to 200, 200.
I was looking at, I think, a couple of levels there, the 260.
Another 1,200 points. I still say November's bullish. So what are we in? 6 days? If y'all could just dump this in the next week, we could spend the next 2 weeks buying.
And the half an hour, the last area we pushed off of was 277, 275. We're not that far away from it.
Yeah, we're wrecking through the support now. I mean, we already tested it once. If we can break through and start building structure, I think that would signal that buyers are no longer willing to buy.
Then
I think you would also have to consider that not only are buyers not willing to buy, but they're not willing to buy in the most bullish month of the year. Historically, November's the single most bullish month of the year. Of course, I was trying to show people stuff and I'm on the wrong chart. Come on, man. They should just know which chart I'm trying to show people stuff on, right?
Hmm.
Well, the point is the same, whether you got to see the chart or not.
Yeah, it's yesterday's low that we pushed up off of. So if we get down there, I can definitely expect the bounce.
Could see some massive moves also. Like if we're breaking the support, am I on the right chart? If we're breaking the support, like I said, we could get another 1,200 point move. All the way back to the bottom of this range here. We see the volume profile. Looking for the other side of that. And then in this range, we've gotten some big up and down moves. So we could see some big moves coming. Put your helmet on, buckle up.
Yeah, looks like it, eh?
Lower your contract size.
Hmm. Yeah.
You streaming this afternoon?
No, I told you I gotta go.
Well, I remember you told me one of these days. So I was thinking it was today. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, to the city there. My brother didn't live in the same city, so we got to drive down to where he was. Take care of a few things.
Don't be like my wife and say, I told you just won't listen. I heard just why I asked.
Yeah, no change of plans for. Want to go with my wife because it's a very French area. We have pockets where they're kind of anti-English, and if you speak English, I don't speak French well enough, they pick up on my accent and they get nasty.
No, you think they would do that?
Oh yeah, they do. It's terrible. It's just a fucking language. It's just sounds coming out of a mouth. Seriously. For the purpose of communicating. People are how people are. What can you do?
That tribal mentality. What can you do, right?
Yeah.
In French, do they say a lot?
No, not really. They don't at all.
Really? Can you live in Canada and not say a?
It is in English.
Okay, so we need a Spanish translator for a. Okay.
Okay. Spanish. We're talking about French, but Spanish. Spanish isn't the second language here. French is similar to Spanish. There's a lot of words that are the same.
We can ask Skeletor how you say a in Spanish. Skeletor, how you say a in Spanish? Eh?
Huh?
Not like the letter A, but how you spell it again?
Huh? A-Y-E.
A-Y-E. Where's my translator at? Let me bring my translator.
I would say ke.
Ke?
Yeah, ke.
Sarah, calm down. What the hell are you saying? Let's
like
see.
Que pasa? Huh? Ke?
English? Where's Sundance? There's a language, Sundance? Sundanese?
Why are you making my life so hard?
There you go, French. Oh, French Canadian. Oh, so they're not even really French people. They got their own French.
French Canadian.
Yeah. Hey? Now you're just being difficult. We can listen.
I'm
Toujours.
listening.
Toujours.
What are you doing? What are you talking about? Toujours.
Two shoes or something like that.
What does that even mean?
Okay.
Hey?
Now you know. You just say, hey, you got two shoes. Hey. That's what it sounds.
Fuck you,
I don't know.
film me. Okay, that's good.
Toujours? There's an R.
Toujours.
Where's the R?
Toujours. That's
No,
all
it's
the
two
time.
shoe. Two shoe.
Touche.
Two shoe.
Spell it.
I put it in the chat.
Toujours. That's all the time.
It's not saying no R.
It's toujours.
It's saying two shoe. Two shoe.
It's showing you how to pronounce it?
That's got a thing. It tells you how to pronounce it.
Well, it's giving you it wrong.
Two shoe.
Yeah. It's toujours. Toujours. Toujours.
It's two shoe.
It's not touche. I can promise
Well,
you
yeah.
it's not touche.
We got a different translator. What about French?
Yeah, well, I got real one. You got a one that doesn't know.
Is French the same? How do we redo it?
That's like me writing out pizza, not knowing how to pronounce it, and I'm saying that AI is telling me I pronounce
Oh,
it.
hold on. In French, it's toujours.
Yeah, okay.
But in Canadian French, it's two shoe.
No.
Look.
I don't have to look. I live here.
It's two shoe. Two shoe. Two shoe. Or in French, right?
Yeah.
Toujours.
Toujours.
I
That's it.
clearly hear the difference. Canadian French. Two shoe. Look, I don't know why y'all are two shoes. Hey,
No. Canadian French don't say touche. They don't say
That's-
touche. They don't say
Look.
touche.
you argue with Google Translator, okay? I
They're,
have enough
they're,
arguments in life. I'm not going to argue over what your language is.
they're pure toujours.
What about Spanish?
Nice, I got filled.
Where's Spanish? Spanish is SP, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm asking because I don't see it. We not have Spanish? There it is. Okay. It was hiding it. C. In Spanish, it's C. Not like C like the letter C, or not like C like C, but like
S-I.
C.
S-I. Oui, oui.
Yeah. Yeah, C.
Si, senor.
Hey?
Hey.
What about
Are
English?
they saying that in Spanish A is C?
Yeah.
No, A is a question, usually.
Once again, don't argue with. Oh, in English, it's yesterday. No, what? Yesterday.
Okay. They don't even understand what Canadian
So if you
A
say
means.
no, if you say A in Spanish, that translates to yesterday in English. I can't go English to English. What about? Where them French people go? French Canadian to English. Eh?
Mhm.
I have never heard a single person in the state say A.
Hmm.
French. It's
It
still
seems
A.
so instinctively correct, though.
Eh?
Yeah. Okay. Huh? It's like instinctively. It's an instinctively correct sound.
In English, they say I.
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 Yeah. It's like the Irish. I.
Yeah. I.
Maybe that's where we got it from. I. Pirates. We got it from the pirates.
I.
I.
Isn't that crazy how all the different languages are?
Yeah, like religions, they're all kind of just similar and
One day we're all gonna have like little earbuds in our ear, and we're gonna talk to anybody we want, and it's just gonna automatically pick up the language and translate it.
oh yeah, for sure.
We're not
They
even
have
gonna
that.
know that somebody's speaking a different language.
They're showing that now that they have it
You'd have to
in.
take your earbud out and be like, "What are you speaking again? Oh, shit, you sound completely different."
They're showing it now that they have it already as a little machine. You just point it at the person,
Mm-hmm.
and then you listen, then you talk, and you point it at them again. And even if it's not perfect, it's still good enough to give the person the idea of what you're talking about.
Nah, man. 50 years from now, I'm telling you, it's gonna be everywhere.
Yeah.
They're already starting, the glasses are starting to catch on in a lot of places. A lot of the glasses, they got the earbuds and the bone thing inside of them.
We're breaking higher. What do you think? Or just a tiny bounce?
I think I'm not trying to catch this reversal. Been beat up enough for one day. If I'm gonna take a trade, it's gonna have to be something that's makes sense.
I took a tiny long. I am long at 38. A tightest stop, which means probably be about 10 points. There we are, stopped out. Just going to go back up. I can feel it.
Are you long or you short?
No, I'm short. I was long. I said it's going to go back up. I can feel it. It's crisscrossing the bands. That's why.
Not good to be flipping sides.
No. You know what that means? It means I'm scalping counter trend, which is no good. I should have only taken the short. I shouldn't have taken the long that I lost on first. The short lost also. Long lost, the short lost. But I should only be taking the shorts. Thank you for reminding me.
You know, we still ain't seen Ruin in a while.
No, I know.
Might need to message him, see if he got eaten by a lion or something. But yeah, I got a message with my friend, see if he got eaten by a lion or a tiger. What?
Yeah, he was talking about tigers, eh?
Yeah. Said people use them to protect their house.
Yeah, well, you know what? Everybody's got predators they have to worry about. Ruins, tigers. You guys, you have gators and I don't know what else. And, you know, we got
everything. We got gators, crocodiles, snakes, spiders.
Sharks. Yeah.
Oh, what?
Sharks.
Shark bite capital of the world.
Yeah, and here we have ferrets, mice. Very dangerous. You ever seen someone? People don't survive mice attack.
Oh, yeah.
No.
I thought that was a big thing in New York.
We got shower spiders lurking in the shower.
So we got banana spiders like this freaking big.
Okay, I'm quitting. I'm stopping. Ooh, covered my short a little too early, but that's enough. 10:53. Okay, so all good news everywhere, but broke discipline. I mean, no, not all good news everywhere. Of course not. Day traders. I mean, it's an insignificant account, but still, I had my heart set on it. My two Apex PAs are up. One's up 187, one's up 101, and I'm up 180 on my funded in Bulenox. So that's all I traded. Those three, plus the day traders account, which was supposed to pass today. My God, you know what that's like? I swear to God, I feel like someone brought me a birthday present. I'm a kid. I was really looking forward to it. And and my dad rolled over it with his car.
Mm-hmm.
Like, you had it in your hands. You know, I had it. I was there. 20.
That's about an accurate statement, too. I know the
26,380. All I had to say is, Mike, just trade it like what you can do, and that account was passed 100%. I'm not saying today, I'm not saying tomorrow, but within a week, that account was passed if I just did my thing. But instead, I said, you know what? Let's blah, blah. Don't do your thing. Just do whatever, because you're good. And I threw it away. Now I have to give Omnius another commission.
And I might make $2 for the month. Let's see. What's the report on this one?
No, they pay well. They pay 20%. You probably got $100 off me already on that account, on that with that firm.
Well, the good news is on the more important accounts, I mean, they're all important, but
yeah, but there's degrees of importance.
Yeah, still got about 2,000 to draw down on that one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, the other ones,
I love
they're at about 350 of drawdown left.
I like my PAs in Apex, not the new one, but my PAs in Apex. You know where they show you the trailing drawdown.
Now I gotta decide.
He never answers me, this guy. I'm gonna punch my monitor.
I gotta decide if
right
I want to
there, where
suspend
you
my
I'm
my
punching you in the
for a few
face,
days.
not letting you talk. Give me a sec.
You cut me off. I'm trying to
give me a
my
sec.
thing.
I said it first. Omnius, give me a sec.
I'm going back and watching the video.
I said it first. Omnius, give me a sec. It's the first one to say it.
No.
I don't even know what I'm talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. Go. I'm just having a good time. What? I'll listen.
How much drawdown I have and checking my reports. I was saying, somebody cut me off. Now I gotta decide if I want to suspend the bot trades for a few days.
Mm.
Where is I logged in? What more do you want? Okay. Other accounts still look decent. These accounts look terrible. These, not too bad. I mean, would like it to be better, but at least it kicked me out of the right set of accounts this morning.
Mm.
I got to figure out why it's self-destructing. Although it's kind of helped me the past 2 days, but I got to get it to where I don't have to worry about those things.
Yeah.
I just want it to be exactly what it's supposed to be. I don't help me, don't help me. I just want it to be exactly what it's supposed to be.
Okay. I'm playing the sponsor's video. Same sponsor. We're playing a game.
You can play a game?
Are you fucking kidding me? We're playing a game. I'm going to show Omnius a little bit of work I did today.
Yeah, let's put it up.
Yeah, I got to get it up. Boom, 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 boom. I don't
Saw
know
a
what
poll
it's
there
called.
somewhere. How'd the poll go? What did it say? Are you committed to following your rules today?
Yeah, I think there was only one person who wrote no, and I think I have a feeling that was you. I swear to God.
Why do you think it was me?
I don't know. I think that was around the time you were around.
Oh, it was me. I was just asking why you thought.
Yeah.
You want me to follow the rules? Oh, man. Look, I do a very good job following my rules. I'm very surprised. I think anybody that knows me, if I'm like, hey, I follow the rules, they'd be very surprised too. So what more can you ask for?
No, not much. Not much.
Not a very good rule following person.
Okay, sounds are working.
No, I can't hear it.
Ah, you didn't put it up yet.
I got up, I just can't hear it.
Why?
Because it's muted.
Not on my end.
No, on my end.
Uh,
Well, either got to mute
okay.
the stream or I got to mute you. Which one?
I don't know.
You got sound on it? All right, I'm muting you. You're out of here. Later, buddy.
Oh, yeah, you got to mute me.
Yeah, I'm muting you. You're gone. I can't.
Like
oh,
live. You got to
Nope.
get rid of me live.
Got you muted. Oh, whatever you're
Perfect.
saying, I can't hear you. All right, go.
So you can hear me now, but you hear me on a delay. So we got the breakout bricks on the other side.
Yep.
And it's just, I only did one row so far, but, you know, we can get creative with how we build them, out. So there we go. Stopped out Ruan, but Butters is on the other side. So watch Butters when he hits the breakout bricks. They don't push high enough, so I gotta set it so that they push higher, but you gotta, that's cool now. I like that.
Oh, you got the bricks? Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, but it's just my first attempt at it, so we'll make them better. But at least they're built out now. And now we can build multiple levels, and now you're breaking support. Wood chip sucking on a wall there, that was no good.
What is that? Is that it sound like the
And-
sound's breaking up or something? Or is that on my end?
I don't know, there's a lot of like, there's a lot, hey, look,
Yeah.
everybody
This guy keeps repeating everything I say.
everybody reset. Futures, come on, futures. Oh, almost made it. Skeletor stopped out.
I like it.
Dark red seems to be a good color for the background. I've played with a few. And it doesn't have the name of the game.
Hey, where'd you get that picture of my girlfriend?
Anybody on the other side? Mike is on the other side.
Watch the wife be listening. What'd you say?
Just joking, dear. Yeah, so don't do any work. There's no point. You might as well wait. If you're going to put in that panel, whatever, you might as well wait till, you know, that this level is completed. Stopped out, Ruan, starts over.
I'm telling you, I think you could just put it into a deep seek. Would you
Yeah, you can,
stop
absolutely.
copying me?
No, absolutely. Just
You could probably just put it
into-
in the deep seek and tell deep seek to copy the
Yep.
settings menu from the first code.
I know we're like a few seconds away, but
He's back.
on the conversation, but yep, absolutely. There we go. Futures wins. Way to go. I'm the champ.
Oh, it's rigged.
Close. Yeah, so red background is good.
Play it again.
I just deleted it.
Play it again. Skeletor's back. He wants to see if he can win. Oh, come on, man.
Hold on. Doesn't take that long to get it up. Doesn't take that long to get it up.
You been having problems with that?
No, it doesn't take that long.
They got those pills. I see the commercials for them.
Yeah, I don't know if they work. Now, is it showing? I can't even see.
Mike, you're muted.
Oh, yeah, that's on. Really? On mine? No, I'm not muted on mine. I'm muted on.
Yeah.
No, on yours.
Yeah, because I hear me. I don't hear you. No, you're muted on yours.
I should be muted on yours because you were only going to one channel, remember? Remember?
I don't know. I'm just... He says you're muted on my channel. Oh, yeah, you are because... yeah, I muted him. Skeletor, I muted. I put him in timeout.
Now it's taking a long time because...
Let me unmute you and then mute the stream. Yeah, Skeletor, I had to put him in timeout. He wasn't listening. All right, you there?
I am there.
You hear him now, Skeletor? Mike, I'll let you out of timeout.
I'm not sure why I'm not seeing... Oh, yes, I am. I am sure now.
For anybody that don't know, for when I put his stream up, if I'm listening to it, then there's this huge loop that goes on, and it's him speaking, and him speaking, and me speaking, and me speaking, and then sometimes looping more than that. So it's hard to, it's complicated.
Hey, Mr. Loop. It's called an echo. Looping. There we go, Skeletor. Let's see if Skeletor can win.
Dang, Ruin ain't messing around, is he?
Yeah, I can put my mic back on. Wow, the whole breakout bar is gone. Got chewed up. Hey, futures, I might win again. I don't know. I think I have a better chance than Ruin, to be honest with you. Ruin's going to bounce to the other side. Skeletor's in a good place. Oh, no, Ruin's got it. I didn't think Ruin was going to get it.
Yeah, Ruin was on a mission, huh?
Yeah.
He come out the gate strong. Time I got 11:08. What's next on the agenda?
I don't know. Maybe I'm going to cut out early again. Get over with my little trip and then do some work when I come back home, whatever time it is.
Means I can go take a nap.
Yeah. I have a good day all around. I'm happy with. I can't complain with these numbers again, like I said. Still upset over what I did with day traders, but one day I'll learn my lesson. I do know one day I will learn my lesson. I just don't know when that one day is. And
The good
I'm
news
gonna
is
work
they
on
say
it.
the first 40 years of childhood are the hardest. That we start learning our lessons after that.
Yeah.
I mean,
Well,
I can't tell, but that's what they say. Some of us are more
where are we?
stubborn.
Yeah, hold on, I might have a long trade. I'll take it for a 2-lot. See if I get an entry. Nope, that's it. It's canceled. No long trade. One short. Actually, where are we? Ah, we're still really
What?
going down deep and
It's not
hard, eh?
time yet. It's not time.
Hmm.
Come
That's
back.
that's
Dude,
doggy.
you got like 50 minutes. Come back later.
I gotta pee now.
I think the time change got them messed up.
Hmm.
I know, dude. It's the time now. What are we looking for? Shorts?
Short, yeah. I want to go a little bit higher.
It's kind of a choppy path. Did I miss it already? I can still take it? No.
Okay. Yeah, a little bit more. What did we get? Okay, we'll call it here.
Tory
And
trades tan lines. How's it going today? Oh, man.
no way.
Love to see it take out the lows, especially on
That
the
is so
beach.
funny. I
That's
was
funny.
I was gonna use that for something. Tory
Tory trades tan lines.
Tory trade tan lines. Yeah, either I was gonna use it in the pick and win. You know, show me Tory trades tan lines. I swear to God, this is like I put it in the universe.
Nope, somebody's already got it. You're too late. All the good names are taken. Yeah, what are we looking at? Yeah, Tory trades tan lines. I was saying earlier, we break this support here.
Which one?
We're getting back into this range. Could see it go all the way down. Not today, but
We're
maybe over
way
the
under
next
the
week.
400, eh?
Yeah, all the way down to about the 400.
Yeah, so the next one I'm looking at is pretty much almost where we got to was the low.
Getting back into
280,
this range we was in a few weeks ago.
the 280 low from yesterday, previous day's low.
You still looking for shorts, Mike?
I went short. I scalped. I took a scalp there. I'm still not mentally set up to hold it for longer moves. Would have been some really nice trades so had I done that today. You know, I should know to do it on the days. Let me do one. Let me do a 1-lot sell ask right there. Come on, fill me. And see if it does something decent there. I'm short one.
See if it goes into a longer
Yeah.
move.
That's it. Stopped out already. That was quick. Very tight stop. But, yeah, when the ATR is high, that's when you want to be doing it.
I got a 19. That's on the volume chart. What do you got?
Volume drive 28 on the 1
I got
minute.
29 on the 1 minute chart.
Mm.
Weird.
So when you have numbers like that, you're going to have good moves. You can't avoid it. It's just has to happen. Might
We've gone
actually
down,
be,
what, about 500 points today?
yeah, I would say so.
Yeah, about a little over 500 points today. From the high to the low.
820.
Yep.
More than that. 550 almost.
All right. What we got? 11:15. You said you wanted to call it early?
Yeah, sure. Why not? Let me get on my way, get that over with, get some more work done when I come back, and I'll see you tomorrow, 9:15 or earlier. Sounds good?
Tomorrow morning, 9:15. Guys, appreciate everyone hanging out. Skeletor, Bama, Toy Trades, Tan Lines.
Trades
Everybody
tan
hanging.
lines. I hope I get to see Tori Trades tan lines next week or tomorrow. I want to see Tori Trades tan lines every day.
Everybody tomorrow morning. Skeletor later. Later,
Take
guys.
care, guys.